Just looking at the completed unit of Eric's VF69 Valiant, where a brand new air conditioning system was put in, starting with this compressor.
Sand and compressor.
There's a sand and compressor. Both ports are coming from the compressor. We've got then a good thick size condenser with the standard receiver dryer, the sight glass, followed by the large and the small pipes that go up in and onto the evaporator.
It's a vintage air evaporator.
The evaporator is a vintage air one,
Under dash unit.
and it's an underdash unit. Little handheld thermometer there. It got down to 2 degrees. And the bracket was specially built by Eric
Utilising
for the
oil
compressor.
filter holes.
Of the oil filter holes.
The bracket was bolted onto,
The oil
thank you,
filter holes.
steel, oil filter holes.
Relocated the oil filter over there.
And
The
it was
oil filter.
the oil filter was relocated on this right side of the car. So all in all, there's quite a few welds there that we did to get it to where it is, and also Eric did a lot of polishing up of the aluminium to get it looking so nice and just like chrome. Well done, Eric.
G'day.